Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the temperature on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this easy tutorial with instructions that are super easy to follow along with. So essentially, once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you this specific thing. I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to change the temperature on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. And this will be, once again, an easy tutorial with easy instructions. Let's get into this, changing the temperature on this thermostat, okay? Really, really easy to do. There are a few buttons on here, essentially 5 buttons, 3 at the bottom and 2 on the side. And to change the temperature, all that you gotta do is decide if you wanna increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. If you wanna increase it, there's a plus button here. If you wanna decrease it, there's a minus button here. And essentially what you wanna do is press the plus or the minus button, okay? So you can say, I'm gonna press the plus, and the first press will illuminate the screen. This is where many people go wrong. They think that, oh, it's not working. The first press of the button will illuminate the screen. So I'm gonna press the button once to illuminate the screen, and then I'll press it again, and that will increase the temperature. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back down because I want to keep it at 19.5 degrees Celsius right now. But when you want to set the temperature and change the temperature, you press the button to change it and then you release it. Okay, when you release it, the temperature will stop flashing. When the temperature stops flashing, that means that the temperature has been changed. So once again, I'm gonna press this to illuminate the screen. I'll press it up and it's flashing, right? And once again, I'll press it back down. It's still flashing. Once it stops flashing, the temperature has been changed. Okay, so you can see right about now, the temperature has now been changed. Obviously, I kept the same temperature, but I should say the temperature has been set. Now, what you can do when you change the temperature is you can change the type of hold. So let's say I changed the temperature and I increased it. I can press mode here, okay? So watch this. If I go up, right, or down, so I'm keeping it at 19.5, but instead of mode, it says hold. So I can press hold, and that will change it between a permanent hold or a temporary hold. You can go look up what those mean, but essentially a permanent hold will just hold the temperature forever until you change it again, and a temporary hold will hold it until the next programming scheduled time, the next programmed scheduled time that you've programmed into the unit itself, into the thermostat, okay? So that's how to change the temperature, and if you want to change the programmed temperature, then essentially you have to go into the menu, okay? And you have to go to the program menu, press select, make sure it's on and press select, and then you can select the days that you want to change the temperature for the programming of. I'm going to press select, and then you can go ahead and choose the period, the time, and then change the temperature. So I could choose the wake period. Okay, I can make sure it's on. I could choose 5:45 a.m. and then I could change the temperature right here. That's another way. But that's essentially it. That is how to change the temperature on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. An easy tutorial with easy instructions, step-by-step instructions. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I tried to give you all of the ways to do it. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and simple at the same time, but show you all of the methods. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.